Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It is another delicious recipe. We are making fish bitter leaf soup. Please stay tuned. Guys, for our ingredients for today, I'm using palm oil. I'm using achi thickener, roasted mackerel fish. I roasted this fish myself yesterday evening, so it is roasted mackerel fish, salt, crayfish, maggi, ogilibo, dry chili, my frozen bitter leaf, and stockfish heads. Guys, this is my stockfish head. I have cleaned it and I am going to boil it. I am going to let it get soft before we start cooking our soup. Usually you can soak this overnight to save you from cooking it to get soft. This is no meat recipe. We're only gonna use our stockfish head and our mackerel. I forgot to mention that I will be adding the stock that I got out of the fish I roasted yesterday, so I'm going to be adding it inside the pot and use it and boil the stockfish head. So now I'm going to add the mackerel fish stock. Now I'm going to only add one maggi, and we are going to cover, and we'll just allow this to boil and let it get soft. Okay guys, now my bitter leaf is in the pot. I am going to just boil it a bit and make sure there is no bitterness in the leaf, because you don't want to cook the soup with a lot of bitterness in them, because they're gonna spoil your soup. So I'm going to boil it for a bit and allow some of the bitterness in it to come out. So guys, now I am going to add more water in my pot, because our fish stock head is soft enough. Okay, I am also going to add my achi thickener inside the pot. Now I am going to cover and allow that to simmer for 10 minutes. It is also time now to take my bitter leaf off the stove. So guys, now I am going to debone my fish. I'm going to take the fish out of the bones. Guys, after 10 minutes I am going to start adding my ingredients. The soup is still thickening up. The achi has not fully dissolved, but yes, it is time to start adding all our ingredients. I'm going to add palm oil, going to add dry chili, I'm going to add crayfish. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add ogilibo. I'm going to cover and give that another 10 minutes. Now guys, I am going to add a little water because it looks too thick. You don't want your soup to be too thick because when it cools down it becomes very thick. So yes, I've added a bit of water in it. Okay, I am going to add in my fish. Now I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. There's enough maggi, there's enough salt. I don't need to add any of them. At this point, I'm also going to add my bitter leaf. Now I'm going to cover and give it another good 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our soup is ready, guys. The aroma of this soup is out of this planet. And it tastes super delicious and super yummy. Oh my days, guys. This soup is so yummy. It is so tasty. The flavor is bursting out. You can taste the ogiliobe, the stockfish and the mackerel is just wonderful inside this soup. So yes, we are done. This is where today's recipe is going to end. I'm trying to see if I can give it a good stir, but you know, when you have fish inside the pot, you're very scared to give it a good stir because you don't want everything crumbling down on you. But yes, we are done with this delicious and wonderful recipe. I am going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you haven't. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.